The last thing I am going to show you for your woven person is how to add the hair. If you choose to add more embellishments, you can. If you choose not to, that is okay. So the first thing you want to do is find the color hair that you would like. And then I would suggest making your hair longer than you think it should be, because you can always go in and give it a haircut. So I'm going to take my yarn, I'm going to fold it in half until I have a hair length that I'm comfortable with, and I'm going to cut that. I'm then going to, with it, the hair folded in half, I'm going to go to the loop side, and I'm going to thread that loop through the eye of the needle, and I'm just going to thread it down just a tiny bit. I just want to get this loop through the top of the woven head. So now I'm going to pick up my little woven person. I'm going to try and keep these strings towards the back. I don't want them coming to the front, because then it probably isn't going to look very, very nice. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my needle and I'm going to bring it through. It's okay if it goes through the thread or the yarn that you've already woven. Once you pull your loop through, then you can take your loop off. Now notice, remember, I had this loop and I threaded the needle with the loop. The needle's not inside like this. I took the loop and I threaded through the needle and then pulled it through. Once you have that little loop through, then what you're going to do is you're going to take your two tails, you're going to bring them in through the loop, and then you're going to pull nice and tight. And you can add as many of these as you want. You can make a full head of hair and just keep adding until you have enough hair that you want, and then you would go back in and you would give it a haircut. If you wanted to, you could also add several more, and then you could take these, just make sure you have enough, that you have 3 strands, and you could take this and you could braid it so that your person could have braids coming down. You could even have some of these, you could try adding bangs and doing a couple other things. So just kind of play around and have fun with it.